The blockchains have overwhelmed the money scene, and the monetary environment is loaded with isolated individual small-scale tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Thus, the whole usefulness of FTX token depends on making itself genuinely interesting, beating the rationalist crypto scene. With an extraordinary spotlight on giving energy to digital currencies, FTX has arisen as a clever trade in the cryptographic money portion. FTX token offers brokers an extraordinary platform that rouses their faithfulness and offers power-stuffed highlights that are unfathomable in customary cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin money, and others. Before we start with FTX token cost expectation, how about we actually take a look at FTX token outline? FTX token, the group, upheld by a group of committed experts who are involved with their devotion to specialized mastery on blockchain calculations. FTX token specialists work nonstop. The organogram begins with chief and organizer Sam Bankman-Fried, trailed by CTO Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and Kusina Nader. FTX token, the commendable attributes. FTX token gives a multi-pronged benefit to every one of its financial backers to trade FTX, thinking of it as a beneficial venture. Brokers are certain of getting an incentive for their cash exchanging FTX, more famous as CoinFTT. FTX token offers versatility and speed, as well as seen as solid and reliable. Counting an exclusively constructed FTX token and cold wallet arrangement, full outer sponsorship of all FTX wallet assets, and associations with industry-driving caretakers, FTX token has a standard of industry devotees. Coordination of stablecoins has given FTX token an edge to give extra liquidity, empowering a quicker and more secure exchanging experience. Different functionalities too, like withdrawal, store, and easy-to-understand exchanges, are only a portion of the many highlights FTX token comes furnished with. FTX token, the corporate social obligation. The non-benefit arm of FTX token backings guideline and consistent as the standards to be carried out in the whole biological system of FTX token. Being a key role player, FTX establishment has teamed up with associations across the world to saddle the capability of moderate innovation. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from long-range and formal communication for noble cause incorporate the human association, the open simulated intelligence that give well groundwork and unselfishness. FTX token is the trailblazer in high regard, primarily on the grounds that more than being simply a stage for lodging a local token FTT, it turns out to be more versatile than other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the cryptographic money market. All things considered, as far as return of venture of last year, Ethereum beat FTX, and you can check Ethereum cost forecast here. FTX token, authentic information and specialized examination. FTX token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This cutting-edge innovation has become effective in breaking liberated from the traditional procedures of exchange. On the lookout. FTX token's local cash FTT that is exchanged on different trades by a huge number of clients overall is yet to situate itself in the centralized computer of venture commendable monetary forms. The inactivity that at first played for the FTX token is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as dealers. Throughout recent months, the cost of FTX token has shown a critical cost increment. During the last month, the FTX token has enrolled an untouched high at $63.08. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the FTX cost confronted a sharp dive, and presently it exchanges around $34. A regularly and definitely noticed characteristic of FTX token cost in the cryptographic money market is that it has shown the most flighty and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear, nailing down development. As a guileless participant, this crypto resource is yet to get forward momentum of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its intrinsic potential. At present, the cost of FTX token stands at $40.69 with a market cap of $5,627,206,535.41 and a 24-hour exchanging volume of $126,810,407.40. The coursing supply of FTX tokens in the market is 137,695,377 FTT. Despite the fact that it is a late contestant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource classification. The cost figure specialists are very hopeful. In view of our conjecture framework, a drawn-out increment is normal. The FTX token cost guess for 2026 is $213.22. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 423.75%. The cost of FTX token is by all accounts showing positive condition. It might offer extensive revisitations of its financial backers by stretching around $57.32 toward the finish of 2022. By virtue of our forecasts, it is the best chance to purchase FTX token at the most reduced cost. FTX token appears to be profoundly bullish as it has shown a dependable consistency. By December 2022 end, the cost ought to effectively swing around $48.84 to $50.69, which will be very nearly a 26% increase from the ongoing cost. According to the most recent news and cost estimate, the coin could arrive at the greatest cost of $52.37 and by 2023 going up to $64.88, showing an extraordinary worth. This could assist with pushing the cost to the pinnacle. However, FTX token didn't outflank during the last year. The vast majority of the contenders of FTX token also didn't hypnotize the merchants, all things considered, just to be coupled with hopeful evangelists. Assuming we consider that FTX token cost will arrive at the moon by 70% in the year 2021, and furthermore keeping the early highlights of FTX token being not difficult to store and mechanical progression of dispersed web utilization for versatility and capacity, this could drive FTX token flexibility rate and increment its cost to around $60 toward the finish of 2021. FTX token value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that FTX token is ready for a rise even in the following year, for example 2022, with enough volume and supply. Keeping in context the series of consecutive pinnacles and bucks, the cost for FTT just keeps on showing a positive pattern among the subsiding pandemic situation, contacting the $57.32 mark. FTX token value expectation 2023. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX token ventures a piece troublesome, it would cause a misfortune, however, just pitiful, dropping to $62.21 on the cost diagram. Nonetheless, this stays as a negative situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this condition for speculation guidance. FTX token value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by anticipated that FTX token will control the crypto diagram with an exhibition of cost fixed at $78.46. This is a practically identical development proportion that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows FTT can possibly support itself in the market of advanced resources. FTX token value expectation 2025. As per our drawn-out forecasts, 2025 could check as the benchmark year, as FTX token cost is anticipated to outperform $91.99 definitely. With mass reception, FTX token cost is assessed to stretch around $91.99 max by 2025 on the outline. An ascent in cost and interest for the digital money more than ever in the crypto market, turning it a wise speculation. FTX token value forecasts 2026. FTX token kept its force on the up and up. Afterward, it has supported the market opinion peculiarity definitely from the start of this current year. Brokers and financial backers have begun wagering on long haul for FTX token cost development, following it intently, reassuring, expressing that it could leap to about $78